Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to add a property to your model. To get started, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Select the model you would like to add properties to. In this example, we're updating the language model from the profile template. On the Schema page, locate the Model Properties box and select Add. Enter a name for your property. In this example, we're adding a farewell property to go alongside the existing greeting property. Type controls the type of data that can be entered in the field. This is a free text property to allow the user to freely enter information. Other property types are available, including date, date range, number, file, user, and URL. You can find more information about all property types in the knowledge article for this video. Depending on the property type you select, the property dialog box may change to include more or fewer fields. The platform generates an internal ID for your property, based on the name you entered. You can amend this if you wish. You might need the internal ID when working with APIs and exporting data. If this new property needs to be a mandatory field on a form, check the required box. If you leave this box unchecked, the field will be optional for the user. Required properties cannot be added if the model has already been populated with data. If you want to use this field as a label in other areas of your tenant, check the Set as Default Label for this model option. Set as Secondary Unique Key is only available for free text and number property types. This field is greyed out when another property has already been set as a secondary unique key. When selected, values for each record must be unique. Do Not Send to Google Analytics is ideal if a property is collecting information that could be used to personally identify someone, such as name, address, or phone number. Checking this field prevents it from being used in Google Analytics. You can make your property values translatable by checking the translatable box. Users working in different installed languages will then see relevant values in their desired language. When you're happy with your configuration, select Add. Your property now appears in the schema. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.